Greetings everyone, my name is Matthew from NormanCamera, and today we're going to be unboxing a new camera. It's the Sony a7RIV. So I'm super stoked about the a7RIV because I'm a Sony shooter myself, but also it's great to see Sony pushing the envelope with their full frame mirrorless cameras, especially since this one packs such a punch. But instead of talking about all the specs that this camera has, we're gonna just focus on unboxing and seeing what you can expect when getting one of these cameras. So let's just jump right to the overhead cam and start unboxing this camera. So that's what you can expect inside the box when picking up an a7RIV. If you want to see more unboxing videos, leave a comment down below of what you want to see. As well as if you like this video, hit the like button down below and subscribe to NormanCamera if you want to keep up with our videos. As well as don't forget to hit the bell if you want to be notified every time we post a new video. Super stoked to get some hands-on experience with this camera and see what it has to offer. But we'll save that for a future episode. In the meantime though, keep on shooting.